Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushessweetly. We are currently in Family Dollar, about to do some deals since they gave us a 5 off 25. Alright, I'm gonna do the pet deal that is the Febreze, Swiffer, and Mr. Clean. When you spend $10 you get $3 off. This is the first thing I'm gonna pick up here. This is spray. And then I'm going to pick up a Mr. Clean. That is $3. And I'm gonna figure out something else to pick up. I wanted it to be different. Alright, and I'm trying to think of what second deal do I want to do or incorporate this all in one. But for right now, I am just going to gather up different items and throw something together, and hopefully it all works out. The next thing I'm going to do is the coupon that we have, spend $9 and you save $3, and I'm going to do it on the press. I did scan and this qualifies for it. It's $3.50, and this actually smells good. We have all these other items as well that you can do. These, I think this one didn't come up for me. These and also the bars of soap. So just try to get close to $9 as possible. All right, and let's move on to the next. Next thing I'm going to be picking up is some Degree men's pack, the 2-pack here. This 2-pack or this 2-pack, I'm not too sure, but they are $4.75 here currently. Then I'm gonna also pick up a swab, and that's gonna bring me to $9.25. So I'm gonna get one of these and this one with that new Caress. Okay, but you have many different options. You can get all these degrees here as well if you just need women's items. And let's see what's next. Oh, this is what I'm gonna also get to. See, at my store they are $5.25. So this has a $3 digital coupon, trying to get the lowest out of pocket as possible. Next thing I'm going to pick up is this Always pants. They are $4.75, and I have an exclusive $3 off coupon that I'm going to utilize on this. Again, trying to get the lowest out of pocket. These are things that I need, especially the cleaning stuff, and I do need paper towels because we run through that like crazy, and we don't get a whole lot of good deals on napkins, so that's why paper towels go the fastest. So I will show you what 2 deals I'll be putting together, because now my cart's just filled with a whole bunch of stuff. I forgot to record about the paper towels. Paper towels are $4.95 a piece, and we have a $2 off 2 coupon, digital coupon, that I'm going to utilize on this. This is attaching, and also just going to take a nice little slow turn. These Scots are, and I was going to try to get the Scott wipes, which I will show you, but they are not attaching right here. This would have been great, but they're not attaching, and I don't see anything else with the Scott's wipes around here, but oh well. On to the next. Alright, this is my first deal that I put together. I got 2 paper Scots. They are $4.95 a piece, and together they are $9.90. I got the Huggies $1 diapers, the 3 in a pack. I got a size 5 and a size 4, and I'm going to utilize that $3 off coupon. Well, it'll be $2 because Family Dollar does not do overage, so that will be completely free. Then I have the Gillette razor that is $5.25 at this store. At other stores it'll be $5 with the $3 off coupon. And then I did the Caress Degree Suave Dove Axe Shea Moisture deal. I think that's what it is. When you spend $9 you get $3 off. So I picked up the Dollar Suave. This is new. This is $4, even though it says $3.50, but I'm not even gonna fuss with them with that. And then this 2-pack is $4.75. So I calculated all together that this should be about $26.90, and I think I should be at about $11.90 or $12, something like that. I don't know, but we'll see at the register what happens. All right.
I haven't been here 10 minutes and it's driving me nuts. No, that door beeper's malfunctioning. That is. Oh, did you need to put your number in, baby?
Yes.
Go right ahead.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
You're fine.
Oh, Lord. Hello.
Hello. Is that the door?
Yes. Malfunction. I haven't been here 10 minutes and it's driving me nuts.
Hey, look, it works.
5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15.
That's right.
$13.32, please.
Okay, and we are back, and this is my receipt. Hopefully it'll focus. So you see the paper towels, the Huggies, the Caress, the Degree, the razor, and the Suave deodorant. My subtotal was $11.90. I had a savings of $15, and that's for 9 items. It's 8, but we are gonna count, oops, the 2 that's in there. So that's excellent, because that's like really just paying for, let's say, the 2 paper towels and the 2 diapers. And then got the razor and the body wash. And see, we got a little bit of everything. We got some body wash, we got men's deodorant, and we got some girls deodorant. Yay! Or women's deodorant. Let's say men, because if I'm saying men's, we're saying women's. All right, on to the next deal. All right, this is the next deal that I am going to do. I have the Swiffer, Febreze, and Mr. Clean right there product. We have a $3 off coupon when you spend $10 on the pet Swiffer, Febreze, Mr. Clean items. So this is, I forgot. Oh, $3.50. This is $4.50, and then that's $3. So we're at, wait, is that correct? Yes. So this is a total of $11, those 3 items. Then I have the toothpaste here, the baking soda. This is $2.15 in my store, might be $2 in your store with the $1 off coupon. Then we have the Gillette razor that is $5.25 in this store, but will be probably $5 in your store with $3 off coupon. I had an exclusive Always pads for, this is $4.75. I think in other stores they're $4.50 if I'm not mistaken, but I got an exclusive $3 off one, because I know that we all have the $3 off 2, but I have the $3 off 1, so I utilize that on this. And then we have our $3 off 2 Huggy diapers coupon, but Family Dollar does not give overage, so therefore only $2 will come off, and you can pick up these 2. Just make sure you scan all your items to make sure that they come off. Sometimes when you scan them and it will show like no deal, those coupons still might come off, but it's a trial and error on that one. But here is my whole order, second order. This is exactly $25. Because I'm gonna throw in a candy and I forgot to get it, but you'll see it in the next part. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, my subtotal should be around $8 or $8 and some change with whatever candy I'm gonna throw in, because I'm just short. I think I'm at $24.90 or $24.80, so I need to be at $25. Let's see what happens. Our malfunctioning door. It's going to be a great check. Okay, phone number in? Yes.
I guess you saved the same. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. You saved 9 on this one unless it's up here and I can't see it.
Oh wait, was it?
Hang on. It likes to change colors.
Okay,
too.
I think I gotta add in 1 piece of candy. So I'm at 20.
1 piece of candy. Okay.
No.
Oh, gotcha. The subtotal. Did we have our $5 this week?
Yeah,
Oh.
it just came out. That should be.
Nothing? Okay, $25 even.
Okay.
It went to $12.05.
Great. All right, everyone. I wanted to just show you how I return the razors and then repurchase them so that I could get my $3 off. Again, that receipt would be looking like $8 instead of $11 when you have all coupons clipped and you purchase the same item. Okay, and then don't forget to upload your receipt to Fetch Rewards. If you don't have Fetch Rewards, you can use my coupon code. I got back 71 cents basically, but once I get another toilet tissue, because I got an offer, I don't know if everyone has it, but this is 500 points for buying paper towels and toilet tissue, but we only bought the paper towels because the toilet tissue was not attaching, and then I got 500 points, which is basically 50 cents for buying the Caress body, and then 99, 47, additional 40, and then for the diapers 20 and 10 for the swab. So again, make sure you upload your receipt so that you can earn these points and get yourself some gift cards to either go to a restaurant. This is another way of how we are going to be financially healthy for the new year by scanning and utilizing the apps. I know it can be overwhelming. It is very overwhelming for me because there's so many apps to try to save money or get our money back. The number one that I use, I should say the number one, but 2 apps are the number ones for me, is Fetch Rewards, because I can turn these points into gift cards and go to CVS or go to Olive Garden and get me something to eat. And also the Getupside app. No, I'm not sponsored by any two, but I am pushing the Fetch Rewards as well as the Getupside app, simply because for the most part, most of us have cars and we get gas, and every day they are adding gas stations between tens to hundreds to even thousands at a time onto their program. And I mean, how many times do you get back money for gas unless you have one of their gas cards or so? And I surely don't have one of those. So this is my other way of utilizing the gas app, Getupside app, I should say, so that I can have my own savings. And once you get over, I think it is $1, then you can transfer it into your PayPal, which then you can transfer into your account. You can use the cash. It doesn't have to be gift cards. They are offering gift cards. They're also starting with restaurants now. So that's a good app to check out, the gas app. Which is Getupside. So you can save money by pumping gas. I mean, again, you don't get that money back on an average, so you might as well utilize that app now and start off for the new year to start making another way of having a savings account. Just get that app, download it, use my coupon code, and then you get 15 cents off your first fill up, and after that you will earn more change after, and it adds up. For each gallon is 15 cents for your first time signing up. After that, it will tell you which gas station will give you back 10, 5, 15, sometimes 20. And then when you sign up other people, 15 cents will come back to you each time that you sign up a new person. And I just got back because someone signed up under me. I filled up 15, almost 16 gallons of gas in my car, and I got back $4.60 something, let me show you. See, just wanted to show you in my email how I got Getupside app. My cash back is $4.68. Why? Because someone used my coupon code and they got their 15 cents, and so will you. You will get 15 cents per gallon for each referral that you get to come on. And then after that, anytime they pump gas, you get 1 cent per gallon of gas they pump. So you're still going to acquire money during the time that after the time that they sign on. Okay, I can show you that in another email. Hold on. See, again, here is email, and whoever has signed up with me, I have now got 6 cents just for them pumping gas, and this is what it looks like. 1 cent for them referring. So the more people you refer, more money that will go into your bank account. Yay! Being financially healthy. All right, and I'm back, and I had a little hiccup, but that was on me because I thought I clipped my coupon for the Gillette razor. So everything worked out, only if I clipped it, which I'm about to return it so I can get my $3 back. But this turned out excellent. So if you have these same coupons, you'll come out really well with cleaning items and you know, to make your stuff smell good. If you have cat or dog, or I don't even care, I have a skink, and that's like a snake with legs, and his cage stinks, so I spray the carpet around it, so because he eats cat food. But anywho, here's my receipt, and if it will focus, there we go. And as you can see, the Huggies diapers with the $2 that came off, the Febreze Always with the exclusive $3, the Mr. Clean, the Crest, Swiffer, and I threw in that Laffy Taffy, and I paid $11 and had a savings of $14, but it's actually going to be a savings of $17 because, as you can see, my Gillette razor, the $3 didn't come off because I thought I clipped it and I didn't. I pressed it, and my phone, I just need a new phone. So all right, everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.